so to start, cut 23 pieces, 20 centimeters long, of EKO Macramé Single Twisted 4mm. And just cut the edges. Cut another piece that's a bit longer that we can use as a hanger. And I use a lark's head knot to put this longer rope on. Just fold it in half and I put it to the ring and I take the two ends through the loop like that. And then I make a single knot. And you can cut. And what I do now, I can put a tape to keep it steady while I take 1 and 1 out of these and I make a lark's head knot. Same as this. Like that. And I will use all of these ropes that I cut and I will just fill up the entire ring. Okay, so now I put almost all of my strings onto the ring. I didn't really fit all of them. And now we can take this off. And I turn it. I think it's more beautiful when you see all these knots on this side. And what we do now is that we take our comb and we can comb these out. And now take a pair of good scissors and you cut the length that you want. and we're done. So make a couple more and put them in your Christmas tree.